I've been dying to get this. Hopefully next year they will release the snow flavor. I really would like to try that. But let's see what the snow bottle looks like. As always, the Waterdrop packaging looks amazing. Here it comes. So we have the neoprene around the actual bottle itself, which is festive. It's red neoprene with silver snowflakes. Oh, look at this, you guys. That is festive. Not in your face festive, but just a nice, fun, subtle festive. Now let's go put some Waterdrop in it and see what it looks like. Merry Christmas, y'all. Cheers.